My name's Jamie Evans. I'm one of the senior management team here at Nidec Drives. My job title is the Warehousing and Distribution Manager, and I've been here this year 17 years. I was looking to get a foot in the door at a business locally to start building a career for myself. I was working in the production department for a couple of months before I was approached to go into dispatch. Found that I really enjoyed dispatch while I was in there. I enjoyed the physical side of the job, the teamwork in the area, putting the shipments together and sending them out to the customers. So by taking all those opportunities that came to me working as a dispatch operator, the dispatch export administrator, the customer services representative, and then in the buying team, and taking some experience in the finance as well. When the opportunity came up to go and work as part of the Lyon hub where we distributed our goods from for a number of years. So the role of the Lyon hub coordinator comprised of making sure that the link between the factory here in Unit 79 and the hub was sustained, so the right material was in the right place at the right time. I found during my time in Lyon that working on my own, I gained a lot of experience in working under pressure, making decisions on short timescales and hitting deadlines. And when I came back to Newtown, I took the role on of customer services and distribution supervisor. And I transitioned a lot of that experience into that role. It was new to me taking on a team, which was exciting, but I took that on and enjoyed it from the moment I started doing it. It's very rewarding working with people and managing people and hitting goals together as a team. So my current role here at UK Manufacturing Facility is part of the senior management team. My title is the Warehousing and Distribution Manager. So I manage all of the goods inwards, the material on site, the replenishment to the production lines, and the shipping through the dispatch department. Every day is different. Every day is a different challenge. I'm a real problem solver. You know, every week we try and leave it a better place than when we left it the week before, and that's what we try and instill in the team. So the thing I'm most proud of is our big change in how we distribute material around the site. We've introduced a new automated conveyor this year, and it's revolutionised how we move material around the plant. And alongside that, there's many other projects in terms of milk run replenishment around the site, which is making everything a lot more efficient, a lot more accurate, a lot more safe. So having worked for Nidec for 17 years, I consider them a very good employer. I've thoroughly enjoyed my time here while I've been here for all those years. It seems like a blink of an eye, to be honest, from the first day I started to now. It doesn't seem that long at all, but they've always been very supportive in my career, very supportive of me in the business, and I think I've been well looked after here. I always had faith that if you would put yourself in a position that when an opportunity come up, you would be top of the list to be picked. That was always key for me. I always made sure that whatever I was doing in whatever job, whatever role, I'd always make sure I was the hardest working, the hardest performing, and always putting myself forward for any extras such as education. I took a HNC in business and administration in the local college, and Nidec Drives put me through that. And then I followed that up with the Open University business and marketing degree. And then I'm currently looking at trying to go forward with an executive master's in business administration. I remain ambitious, I remain hungry for the next role. I find every role I've taken on has brought a new level of excitement and challenge, and I want to continue that cycle.